In this video, I'll show you how to change your country on the Wise app and what's actually possible. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or name in the top corner, then go to Account/Personal Details. Here you can usually update things like your address inside the same country, for example, changing your street, city, or postcode if you moved locally. Just edit your address, save the changes, and Wise may ask for proof of address if needed. However, if you've moved to a different country, in most cases you can't just switch your main country with one button. Wise often treats this as a new jurisdiction, which may require new verification or even a new Wise account registered in your new country of residence. So if you changed countries, go back to the Help/Support section in the app, on Search for Change Country, and use Contact Us. Tell Wise you moved to a new country and ask what the correct process is. They'll guide you based on your specific region and rules. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.